When we are sick, we usually take medications to feel better. We probably don't think what those medications actually are or how they work. In this presentation, I will answer those questions. I will look at the definition of what a medication is, their classification, the mechanism by which they work, and finally, a bit about how they are discovered. Starting with the definition, medications are defined as drugs used to cure, treat, prevent, or diagnose an illness or to relieve pain. Let's analyze this definition closely. So, firstly, a drug is a substance which produces a biological effect. So, any substance that when enters a body changes how it works is a drug. And medications are always drugs. But specifically ones used to cure, treat, prevent, diagnose an illness or to relieve pain. So let's analyze those terms as well, because there is a difference between a cure and treatment. A cure is something that completely resolves a medical condition, meaning that once you are cured, you no longer have the illness. Meanwhile, a treatment only remediates it. So, treatment has to be administered for a long period without curing the disease. It will only remove its symptoms. Diagnosis is the identification of the nature of the cause of disease. And medications are drugs which are used for all of those purposes. Let's move on to the classification of medications. So, one type of classifications of medications is the distinction between over-the-counter medications and prescription medications. Over-the-counter medications can be simply bought by a person without the need of a prescription. Prescription-only medications require a doctor's prescription in order to be purchased. The reason for this distinction is that prescription-only medications tend to either have more severe side effects. Another reason it could be that certain medications are